Hey guys, JJ Jester here again. I'm going to be showing you what I had been working on the last couple of days. It's finally working. I set it up one side up with torches and one side up with the repeaters. Sorry, I'm been working, so I'm really tired, but I want to get this video out first. So let's see, this one here is the one that is enabled, so we'll go ahead and run through. And as you can see, they are working just fine. And if you guys didn't know what this is a 16-way item selector. And what that means is I can use the item frame to select 16 items. Now right now this side is the one that's enabled. We switch it. It freezes it powers up all of those. And now this one is the one that's enabled. And basically, what's going on here is we have two decoders, and just have to make them switchable. The problem was doing it to a car alarm. It was basically coming up with a way to select them in this small little thing. Everybody, has these, but I don't think there's any this small. So I wanted to make one small and, keep it basically the size of an item frame. Now, where I had to put my one comparator, it's obviously got it off-centered. So I came up with this one little one here. Now obviously when you connect things to the item or the repeaters or torches, whichever you use, it's going to get a little wider. But the actual part of this is only 4 wide. Don't know how long it is. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's 15 deep. Most of this is the comparators, and all of it is needed. All this redstone is kind of thrown together. It looks kind of messy. Because I'm not too sure I'm going to try and slim this down too much, because about the only thing I'm probably going to do is up here. Mainly because this bottom part is as small as it can be because of the comparators. So just the top part is kind of messy, but it just adds kind of bulk, but the bottom is needed. I'll show you over here. Well, this isn't exactly the same. I don't think I have any on this device. But, that one's a mess. That was one of my earlier ones. But, this is basically all needed, so it kind of needs to be this long. Maybe not this tall, but see, the thing is with this to work right, like say over here coming out of the torch, it has to be 6 or 7. It can't be any less. It can't be any more. Otherwise, you will not get a single item powered off at a time. And like with this one here, if this was all torches, they would all be off. including that one. If it was like, say, 8 or 4, you'll have not all these will be turned off. So you kind of have to keep it at where it is right now. I think this one here is the longer one. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this one over here, I think, is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes down 1, 2. So, no, I think it is still 7. Because it also, not only is it another one, but it also goes down 2 places. But, yeah, it's all just like this one here. It all depends. It's all, when it has to do with the comparators, everything is about the spacing and how much spacing there is between your input and basically your output, which would be the comparator powering up this block here, which is kind of weird because it's already being powered. I didn't even notice that until now. But see, the redstone coming down is not going to power this redstone here. The way it gets powered is by the comparator. I forgot I even did that. But yeah, it's it's how you can run the redstone down and all that, and it still won't power this redstone, which is going to obviously power this comparator. So you have to use the comparator to power the block to power the redstone, which causes this side to turn off. This side over here was a heck of a lot easier. And I actually was able to run it just down using the switch to the redstone torch and down and so on. But yeah, this one was a lot easier to do. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this. Not doing anything tomorrow, so as far as, going anywhere, so I will go ahead and build this for you guys tomorrow, do a tutorial. Now, right now, I can't really do anything with them exactly. These are usable, and, this can be, used over in PC, the consoles, because they do, I don't know if console does multiple items on an item frame, but you can use this in PC, because PC, right now, they have big versions of this, so it's way wider. So, if you wanted a small 16 item selector, then you could use this on PC. I would imagine eventually we'll get the double items in an item frame. And then when that comes in, this will make for a killer vending machine. But until then, I just wanted to do this because I had seen, I built the single, made a vending machine. I was like, well, people have the 16 items. I was like, I'm going to go ahead and make one, but I want it smaller. It's all about small and using less resources. So that's what I did. And that's all, guys. If you like the build, like the video, please give it a like. I'd really appreciate it. Any feedback you guys feel you want to let me know about, please give it. I'm all about any type of feedback. If you guys feel like sharing this video, I know some people have been sharing my videos on Twitter. You feel like sharing it, please, by all means, share it. I I'd really appreciate it. I have noticed they've been getting shared on Twitter because it shows up. But and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm always looking for new students, people to drum up new ideas. Because a few of these builds that I've been doing have come from people's ideas. The bank, somebody wanted me to build the bank. Somewhere around I have some survival houses that I haven't done videos on. But I probably should do that. That came from a subscriber's idea. I'm all about, you guys being a part of the channel. I'm still, hopefully tomorrow I can work on the channel server, because I'd like to get that out to you guys soon. But that's about it, guys. I wanted to keep this video somewhat short, and I have a tendency to ramble. And so anyways, guys, I will catch you guys later. Stay tuned for my next video of the tutorial for this tomorrow.